Video we're going to discuss about tumor immunology. Tumor immunology. A tumor or neoplasm is a group of cells whose growth has gone unchecked. So tumor, it is a group of abnormal cells. Growth is called tumor. Okay. So if the tumor is unchecked, it becomes the cancer. So when a tumor continues to grow and invades the healthy tissue, it is called cancer. So the tumor grows on dividing and produces an abnormal structure and it invades the healthy tissue. Such type it is called as cancer. They spread to the other parts of the body from the tumor and give rise to the secondary tumor. So they spread. So the tumor spread to the other parts and that process that is called secondary tumor and it is also called as metastasis. The tumor may be benign or malignant depending on its characteristics. So the tumor may be classified into benign or malignant. So benign or non-cancerous tumor tissues are capable of indefinite growth and do not invade other body cells. So the benign tumor are harmless, but it grows, but it does not spread to the other parts of the body. But in malignant tumor, the cells grow indefinitely, detached and migrate to the healthy surrounding tissues. So the malignant tumor will detach the growth indefinitely. The growth is more and it is invading the healthy tissue. That is, it is invading to the healthy tissue and spoiling the tissue like that. Okay. So the malignant is severe, but benign is not a severe one. In normal cells, the cells grow and differentiated is highly controlled and regulated. So in normal cells, the cells will grow and division will be takes, but it was controlled and checked. In cancer cells, the breakdown, that is the regularity checking mechanism was breakdown. Due to that, the growth is abnormal. The growth will be abnormal. So normal the cells shows a property called contact inhibition, which inhibits the uncontrolled growth. So in normal cells you have an inhibition type of property. This inhibition will stop the growth. But in cancer, the inhibit property was not there. So due to that, cancer cells, that is the cancer, the abnormal growth is seen. So the cancerous cells divide continuously, give rise to a mass of tissues called tumor. So there is no inhibition property in cancer cells. Due to that, the cancer cells divides and divides. It forms a tumor-like appearance. Okay. So differences between the normal and the cancer cell. So in normal cell, small uniformity, that is shaped nucleus, relatively large cytoplasmic volume. So you can see the small nucleus and more cytoplasm in normal cell. But in cancer, you can see the large nucleus and little cytoplasm, that is large variable shaped nuclei and relatively small cytoplasm plasmic volume. And the second point in normal cells, conformity in cell size and shape and cells arranged in discrete tissue. So there is a this size should be there, this shape. So you can easily say this is the shape and the size of the cell. Okay. But in cancer cells, the variation in cell size and shape and disorganized arrangement of cells. Here the correct discrete arrangement, but here the disorganized, you can't say it is the arrangement. This type only the arrangement will be, that cannot be seen in the cancer cells. May possesses differentiated cell structure, normal presentation of cell surface markers. You can see the normal surface of the cell markers, but loss of normal specialized features, elevated exposure of certain cell markers. So you can see the structure itself. And the low levels of dividing cells, cell tissue clearly demacerated. Okay, clearly it is got and low level. Large number of dividing cells poorly delivered, that is defined tumor boundaries. So it has tumor boundaries. Okay. When a cell undergoes malignant transformation, it acquires new surface antigen and may also lose some normal antigen. So, when the cell is becoming the malignant tumor, due to that it lacks some normal antigen and it creates a surface antigen. So, these antigens are present on the membranes of the malignant cells and they induced an immune response. So, the antigen which is seen in the malignant membranes can create an immune response, that is, they creates an immune response. Both humoral and cellular responses can be absorbed in malignancy. So, humoral and cellular immune responses are seen. So, cancer cells can be avoid immune detection as they are not the foreign bodies but are abnormal functions of the body cells. So, if the cancer comes, no, so it cannot able to find out because it is its own tissue. Due to that, the immune system fails to find out the cancer cells. So this makes the difficult to treat. Due to this property only, the treatment is difficult for it. The concept of immunological surveillance postulates that the primary function of immune system is to seek and destroy the malignant cells that arises by the somatic mutation. So, due to the immunological surveillances, the immune system has to find out the malignancy and it has to destroy it. So, this can be arise by somatic mutation also. So, the efficiency of surveillance mechanism reduces either as a result of aging or due to the congenital or acquired immunodeficiencies lead to the increased incidence of cancer. So, due to the aging process, even the congenital or the acquired immunodeficiency, the immune system failed to find out the cancer cells. So, if the immunological surveillance is effective, the cancer should not occur. So, the immunological power is effective means the cancer won't occur. So, the development of tumor represents a lapse in surveillance. So, that is development, that is lapse in surveillance means it is failed to monitor monitor the cells. The immune system failed to monitor. Due to that only the tumor has developed. So you can see how the immune system is working in the tumor, that is it is a tumor immunology picture, how it is works, how the immune system is working and how it is surveilling, that is the picture I have given here. Immunotherapy of cancer. Immunotherapy, also called as biological therapy, uses substance made by the body or in a laboratory to the improve or to resist the immune system function. So, immunotherapy means the monoclonal body can clear the cancer. Okay. So, by providing the immunity, that is the immune system function, the cancer cannot cause seriousness. The cancer can be arrested there. So, different approaches have been attempted in the immunotherapy of cancer. So many approaches are there for immunotherapy of cancer. Immunotherapy appears to be important in getting rid of the residual malignant cells after the gross tumor has been removed. So, the immune therapy, when they means if there is a gross tumor in your body which is called a cancer, that time that tissue will be removed. After that, you have to give, and that is the particular patient has to give this immunotherapy. The best results in the treatment of cancer is to follow an integrated approach to the therapy, combined surgery, radiotherapy, chemotherapy and chemotherapy. So, the treatment for cancer is, it should be an integrated, it should be, it's a followed as it is, that is the therapy, that is combining surgery. So, you have surgery, radiotherapy, chemotherapy and immunotherapy. This should be done at an integrated, in a joint way you have to follow these therapies to cure cancer. Scope of immunology. The younger graduates in the field can find the number of employment opportunities in government as well as the private hospitals. The scope of the immunology is the immunotherapy, microbial immunology, clinical immunology, cellular immunology, allergy immunology, translational immunology, transplantation immunology, neuroinflammatory disorders, tumor immunology, vaccine immunology, inflammatory disorders and ocular immunology and inflammation. So, if you do your studies in immunology, you can get opportunities in these fields in the hospital sites. Okay, and in the departments of health departments also. Hope you understand the topic. If you have any doubts, post the doubts in the comment box. If you want to watch the video in Tamil, I had given the link in the description box. You can go and watch it. Give a thumbs up, share and subscribe to Science Easy Tech channel. Subscribe to Science Easy Tech channel.